Hello again. It's me, friends, Miss Carlee. We're gonna look again at some more letters. The alphabet. And there's Big Bird. Let's see what we have in here. Here's the letter A for Abby. Here's Big Bird again, and he's in a bath. Gotta make sure we stay nice and clean. Here's the Cookie Monster with the letter C. He's got a bunch of chocolate chip cookies. Yum, yum. Here's D for Dorothy. She's a little fishy. Who's this? Do you know him? There's Elmo. Elmo sings one of our favorite songs at school, doesn't he? He sings the If You're Happy and You Know It. Do you want to do that with me? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Let's keep looking. Here's the letter F. And we got fishies. Fishies. There's G for Grover. And he's got a guitar. H for heart. Heart. We love with our heart. I bet your family loves you so much. Here's I for island. We also use that letter to talk about us. Say I like that. I like you. Here's J for jacket. We have to wear these when it gets colder outside. Not right now though. It's really hot in the summertime. But when it starts getting into the fall and the winter, we'll need to wear these jackets to stay warm. Looky here. We have K. Here's my letter again. Kangaroo. What letter does your name start with? We've seen these before. The lions. They start with the letter L. The lions go roar. Here's the letter M for monkeys. I wonder if your mom or dad think that you can be a monkey sometimes. You know what monkeys say? They go ooh, ooh, ee, ah, ah. We also like another song for monkeys. I might need to add that in later. Do you know the song 5 Little Monkeys? Looky here. We have notes for N. For music. Music notes. Here's O for Oscar. That's his name. You can go O. O. We can make the O letter with our mouth. Here's the letter P. Her name's Prairie Dawn. She's skipping along with her pail. That also starts with P. Here's Q for quilt. In another book, for Q was a queen. R, her name's Rosita. She speaks Spanish. Here's S for Snuffy. There's Snuffy. And T for Telly. The letter U for umpire. He's going, you're safe. That's in baseball. Here's V for violin. Violin makes pretty music. W for wizard. He makes magic. Here's this again. There's the xylophone. We have these in school. They make all different notes. Do you see all the colors? Look at all the colors. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. We'll learn about the rainbow in another story. Here's Y for yellow. Do you see the yellow ducky? Quack, quack. And here's Z for Zoe. Big bird. Big bird says, now I know my ABCs. Do you want to sing it again? Let's go through them again. One more time. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I wonder what story we're going to read next time. I hope you have a great day today, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.